How do you get started with mixed reality development if you don't have any prior experience? There are multiple ways you can get started. If you're a web developer, we have Babylon.js, and it has great examples and great documentation. If you go to their website, you can find a project that you can start with and then look at the other examples for the things that is specific to your project. The most used toolkit, though, is for Unity. And we have a package for you that has the very basic interactions and components that you can start from. It is called Mixed Reality Toolkits, also known as MRTK. This is an open source toolkit that you can download and start using today. And it includes a lot of examples. A great thing to do is not to try to learn everything, but start from one of the example projects and learn from it.